In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best dash cam front in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which dashcam front is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, AZDOME Dash Cam. Track the driving route using GPS tracking and built-in Wi-Fi. AZDOME M550 Dash Cam is equipped with built-in GPS. This GPS dash camera can record the speed and trajectory of your drive precisely for you to review later. With built-in Wi-Fi as well as the free AZDOME application, you can watch live-streamed footage on an iPhone and Android device while you're driving. Hidden infrared LED light super night vision, invisible 6IR LEDs greatly improve the quality of images in the car. F1.8 wide aperture can produce better images, whether night or day. The exclusive focal length technology provided by the 6-glass wide-angle lens aids in capturing tiny details such as number plates with greater precision even in dim light. Super capacitor super security, designed to withstand extreme weather conditions ranging from 4 degF to 158 degF, it is designed to meet the demands of extreme heat or very cold regions. It has a longer lifespan than lithium-ion battery dash cameras on the market. There is nothing that can hinder you from visiting your next destination. 24-hour parking monitoring or smart accident monitoring. 24-hour parking monitor only operates on another power source. If someone can hit your car and the impact is at the G sensor level, the camera will be turned on and take a video of 1 minute. It will then lock it and save it. Here is the item number 4, REDTIGER Dashcams Front. For 4K plus 1080p dual recording, the REDTIGER dual dash cams record videos up at Ultra HD 4K plus FHD 1080p resolutions. It also helps you read important details such as traffic signs, vehicle number plates, etc. Besides the front 170 degrees and rear 140 degrees, wide-angle cameras allow you that you have less blind space. Superior night vision. The driving recorder features an outstanding optical lens, with an ultra-large f1.5 aperture and 6 layers. It is also equipped with HDR or WDR technology. It can capture important details even in low-light conditions. Wi-Fi and smart app control. The dashboard camera will connect to your smartphone app through connecting Wi-Fi. Use the app, REDTIGER, to playback, view, and control the dashcams of your iOS as well as Android devices. Nexar camera with GPS. This recorder comes with a built-in GPS and tracks the route of the car, as well as live speed and location as well as tracker on Google Maps with Wi-Fi through the app or GPS player for Windows as well as Mac GPS player. Reliable features for accident recording. The car dashboard camera features loop recording, which allows for continuous recording even when the SD card is fully loaded. If the G sensor detects a sudden collision, the camera locks and saves the video from the collision. The item number 3, Nexar Beam Dash Cam. The top dash cam for drivers who commute every day. Beam is Nexar's slimmest dashboard camera that can be easily hidden by the back view mirror. It records clear 135 degrees widescreen video at 1080p full HD resolution. Instant evidence straight to your phone. This Nexar dashcam functions only when connected with a Nexar app. The dashcam transmits live footage to your smartphone every when you drive, meaning that video evidence is just an easy tap away when you require it. Smart alerts and cloud backup free. The camera detects crucial circumstances on the road and saves them as short videos in Nexar. Nexar app. The clips are automatically saved to your unlimited and free Nexar cloud storage account. One-tap insurance report. With a press of a button, Nexar can produce comprehensive post-collision reports that will help you save time and money as well as unnecessary stress when it comes to insurance claims. Nexar's report highlights the key details from the accident, such as footage of the crash, speed of driving, G-force impact, as well as the location of the crash. Number 2 in our list, Vantrue Dash Cam. Dual lens 1080p car camera, best dual dash cams for Uber riders, rideshare, and Lyft drivers, selected for you by Wirecutter, CNET, Business Insider, BGR, etc. The front and the inside cameras simultaneously record the road front at 170 degrees and the inside cabin at 140 degrees in crystal clear detail with a dual 1920x 1080p 30 frames per second resolution. This is an ideal alternative for drivers of rideshares who require photographic proof should some rude passengers cause damage to their vehicle. Single front 2.5K 1440p dash cam. If you record in front-only mode, footage is captured at 2.5K 2560x 1440p at 30 frames per second, which allows clear license plates, road signs, and more. Infrared night vision with Sony sensor. The front-facing camera is equipped with a Sony sensor, 4 IR LEDs, and an f or 2.0 aperture. It can be used in low-light conditions and provide excellent video quality even when the cabin of the passenger is dark. 24 hours park mode and auto LCD off. 24 hours motion activated parking mode allows the dual camera automatically record whenever the camera detects movement. Automatic start and recording whenever the ignition is ignited. Looping recording, G-sensor, and optional GPS. Looping recording and G-sensor and optional seamless loop recording overwrites the older footage to the most recent after filling the card. G-sensor with variable sensitivity auto-detects an accident or shake, and then secures the footage in event film to protect the video from being overwritten. The top one in our list, Rove Dash Cam Front. 4K Ultra HD recording. The Rove are 2-4K dash cam records videos at a 2160p resolution. The Ultra HD video recording quality is such that you'll not see better clarity and contrast than the other dash cameras. Revolutionary Super Night Vision technology can help you get more clear footage and images from recording even in dim lighting conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi. Download Rove's Rove app to browse and manage dashcam videos immediately on your iOS and Android devices. Through the app, you can download your video recordings of 4K videos directly to your smartphone and quickly share them on social media channels with your loved ones and friends. Dash camera with GPS. Its built-in GPS precisely records your speed and location while driving. Track your route on the road and track it on Google Maps through Wi-Fi or using the car DV player. We offer a free firmware upgrade to this camera for cars. Security features including state-of-modern technology. The dashboard camera in the car has f1.8 apertures, the largest aperture in the market. Parking mode motion detecting, 150 deg plus wide-angle lens G-sensor, loop cycle recording, security video lock for emergencies, time-lapse video, slow-mo video, and supports up to the 512 GB class 10 USB speed micro SD card. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best dashcam front amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.